Hello everyone, I am going to be making a tutorial on how to make a trampoline. So first you'll want any sprite. Anything works using a square because I'm at home. You add a box collider and trampoline script, which I already have one open. And if you want it to have a bouncing collider and a non-bouncing collider, you just add another collider. You make this one have a little empty spot, and this one, which will actually be bouncy, be really small, and then you can see, I'm pretty sure you can see both colliders. You can see that this one is big, this one is small, should work good. So, then, in the trampoline script, you declare a rigid body, which is going to be subject RB. We will access this to make it actually trampoline. We declare a box collider 2D, and that is going to be the actual trampoline. And then we declare a float, which is the trampoline power. And then we need a void awake, and we make the trampoline equal our get component box collider. That makes the trampoline box collider equal to our squares collider, so the one we want to bounce. Then we need a void on collision enter 2D. We make sure that's collision. At the school, it says other on your tab, but whatever. And we make subject RB equal collision dot game object dot get component rigid body 2D. Why is that red? Make sure that that says rigid body 2D, because otherwise it will not work. And then we access subject RB dot velocity, make that equal new vector 2, and subject RB dot velocity dot x. That means it'll stay at the same x velocity. And then trampoline power. This will set its y velocity to our trampoline power and keep its x velocity the same. Now I am going to make a player controller, or actually I don't need to, because this will work on anything with a collider and a rigid body. So we go here. I'm going to create a circle. And if I give it a rigid body and a circle collider, and then I go ahead and it seems I've forgotten to set the trampoline power. Set that to 10, then give this guy a little push, and boom. You got a working trampoline. You can change the trampoline power all you want, and every time they collide, this will happen. And you can see if I go ahead and make this gravity scale negative, which will make it go up instead, and then make this -2. This doesn't actually do anything. So, hope you all get good scores on the test, on the on the formative, and see y'all Monday.